Hi, in front of me is TCL 406 and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. Begin by opening Devices Play Store and downloading your new default apps. I already did that, so I can access devices settings right away. In them, scroll down just a bit to access apps. Then tap on Default Apps and select one of those options, in my case, Browser app. Lastly, tap on the one that you wish to apply and click on the back button. So when I do that, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!